Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you how to change your display language on your Payoneer account. So let's see. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Payoneer account, and then you have to navigate to your profile name right here. Click on that. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to click on settings. It takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to language. Just like so, it takes you right here. So from the point here, you can simply choose any of the language you understand right here. You can scroll down and see more language. So once you choose any of the language you understand, simply come down below right here and click on change. And the language will automatically change to the actual language you select from the account. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply change your display language in your Payoneer account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about Payoneer topic like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.